Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can get the B-Pose emote from Roblox. This is very simple, so you have to go to the catalog here in Roblox pressing marketplace, and then you have to search for B-Pose. So you will find it here for $170 Robux, I'm sorry. But if you don't have any Robux, I have the solution for you. You have to go to this game named Please Donate. Please donate here, and in this game you will be able to receive donations from people, so you can play a few minutes, a few hours, a few days to get the money you want. And there is other games like this, for example Starving Artists. So you go to this game and here you can receive donations, but in exchange of your drawings. So you can make drawings in your Roblox game and sell to people that like that art. As you can see in the picture, this is a man of Roblox playing, drawing something, and the people is eager to buy it. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button, and see you next time. Goodbye.